meet the couple Bharatanatyam dancers, Bhavana Ganesh,
MD Ganesh,
Artistic Directors of Sri Ganesha Nrityalaya, Bengaluru. We are very happy to be the part of Mahashivaratri Dance Festival, which is organized by Bharatanjali Trust, Takadhimika Bharatanjali Trust, Chidambaram. We are coming on 23rd of this Sunday at 4 p.m. Along with our disciples, we will be performing Bharatanatyam dance. So the venue is Rashi Mahal near Pillai Chidambaram Temple, Chidambaram.
We all are very much excited to perform all our welcome.
Thank you.